Assalamu alaikum. Most logo designs get rejected not because they are bad, but because they do not understand one single thing. The client. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to understand client requirement and design a logo that actually match their expectation in 7 simple steps. If you follow these steps properly, I can confidently say that your client satisfaction level will increase a lot. So let's start it. When you get a client, the first thing you do is research. No, that's not the first step. When you get a client, what the first thing most designers do, they jump straight into research. But that's where most newbies go wrong. The first step is conversation. You must talk to your client and ask every question you have in your mind. Be 100% clear about what they want, what they like, what they don't like. Because if you are not clear and the client is not clear, then no matter how good your design is, the logo will never fully match their expectation. After the conversation, then you start research. Your research should be based on the company type, the brand identity, the target audience. For example, if you are designing a women clothing brand logo, the feeling should be luxury, elegance, and sophistication. When someone looks at a logo, they should immediately understand what type of brand it is and what industry it's from. That clarity is very important. Pinterest is good, but do not depend on it completely. If you want to make professional level logos, also search on platforms like Logobook and Logo System. These platforms shows more industry standard logo, not just trends. After getting inspiration, do not open Illustrator immediately. This is a most common mistake beginner make. First, take a paper and start sketching. Do not limit yourself to one sketch. Draw freely, write dawdling. Don't judge your ideas. Personally, I make at least 10 sketches before choosing the best one. After sketching, take a break. Give yourself at least 10 to 15 minutes. Make tea or coffee or just relax. Don't think about the look. When you work continuously, you start rejecting every idea. To be honest, I sometimes take 30 minutes to 1 hour. And when I come back, my vision becomes clear. And choosing the best one becomes much easier. Now choose the sketch that matches the client's requirement, fit the brand identity, and start illustrating the logo digitally. I personally select 2 best logo options and send them to the client. Some clients provide sketches, some want you to create everything from the scratch. After feedback, make small changes if needed. And this is how you professionally satisfy a client. A quick note on the golden ratio. Many designers believe if you don't use the golden ratio, your logo won't look professional. That's a myth. Yes, the golden ratio is useful, but not all good logos are made using. Many logos are created directly from the sketch. Trust your process. Final tip for beginners. If you are a beginner and trying to attract clients, the important thing is patience. Skill improve, confidence grow, client come with consistency. I hope this video helped you understand the logo design process better. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.